So guys, here I'm taking 3 canvas, and I'm going to make a different pattern on these, and taking these colors: black, white, green, and this is pumpkin color, and so this is Concord grape, and we are taking this one also, and this is festive red, and this is going to give a good texture in our painting. So yep, these 6 colors we are using today, and it will be a different style, so all 3 will be different ones. So yeah, please keep watching till end so you will understand what I'm making here. I made over 50 paintings, so but I never thought to make video of them, but definitely I will share with you all my paintings. But right now let's focus on this. These are small, and these are very nice to understand, and this is very easy technique, you can make it easily. So first I'm taking this one. Let's paint first white color. So I'm putting some paint here, not so much because this one is really not very big canvas. I'm going to dip my brush in here, and we'll take it back. And I'm using this one because it will be easy to use. It will be easy to spread. That's why I'm using it. So guys, first I will paint the whole thing. If you are doing on your desk, or if you are doing some on floor, please use something before doing this, okay? Means as I am using a poster for this poster paper. Yeah, so look at this. This is done. But you know what I want? I want thick. I don't want a thin. Actually, I want thick. So I'm doing one more coat on it. Okay, so it's quite thick for me, as I really want it. Don't make it so much thick, but make it thick. Means it will, so it will not soak very quickly. So yeah, make it inside. And then what I'm going to do, I have this paper towel, so I'm going to use it and clean this brush. And now I'm going to take some this color in here. Very little, very little. See, very little, okay? And I'm going to dip one time in this water like this, and mix this water only one time. Mix this in here and see. Now this is the color. Now what I'm going to do, on the top of this color, I'm going to add this color. So for this color, I'm just using back of my brush, and I'm going to put it here like this. Okay, and now going to drop in here. It's already have a green and red color on here, and I'm going to drop this. Now I'm spreading it. Now I'm going to use a green here with my back of my brush actually. Okay, so it's really not very hard. It's because I'm going to do something later. That's why I don't want to exact. Now clean your brush with. I'm using here red. I'm keeping it because I don't want to spread colors all over the place. I'm feeling very uncomfortable because wearing gloves, and I really don't like to wear gloves while I'm doing this, but it's really very uncomfortable. That's why it's more messy. Anyway, so I'm using this pumpkin color in here, using dots here. Okay, so I'm done with this side. Now what I'm going to do, making a curve here, making curve here. Okay, now I'm using black color. So are you ready to mash it? So I have this one, right? So I'm going to fold it, going to fold it, going to fold it, make it small, then using like this and tap tap tap. And now here's the line. You can make it into different color, and that color will be red, because red going to give a different look in here. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna mash it. So guys, this is the art and hope you like it, because see how we started with this, like and how it turned into. So, and I can make it more into details, but this is like kind of that kind of art which is really looks like spontaneous. And see, this is also looking good, because if we will put on any kind of wall, they will give a good texture to the wall. That's why I chose these colors, and you see yourself how these colors turned into nice art. So guys, this video was very long, so I divided them into 3 parts, so you can check them later. So guys, if you liked it, let me know, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see these kind of videos or more artworks and more traveling videos. Thank you so much guys.